Welcome! Today I am with Kia Sportage and I'll show you how we can change between the radio stations. So there we got the two ways how we can make it. The first one, we can go for the list right here and then simply pick the station that you want. For example, I'm going to connect to the Talk FM. Of course, I'm not going to play the volume because we got the restriction. We cannot play these common songs on our channel. We can also make it on there another way. I will show you. So just take a look on the buttons right here. There we get the signal track, and we can also press it. So I'm going to press it and just maybe I will zoom out a little bit like that. And take a look here. When I press seek or track, wait, I will zoom in a little bit to get you a better view of it. Okay, like that. As you can see, the radio station is also going to be changed. So we can simply tap seek or track, and we will also adjust radio stations by making this simple move. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.